Hello, Kitty. Hello, George Pick. What are you doing? I'm clapping my hands. What? You want to copy my homework? I said clapping, not copying. I cannot hear well today. Then let's go to the doctor. Okay. Come on. Hello, doctor. My friend's ear is not working properly. Please help her. I will check her ear. She is having dirt in his ear. What? Pearl in my ear? No, dirt. Oh, I will wash it now. Okay, doctor. Now it's clean. Doctor, can we sing a song? Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you.